credit for the creation of the periodic table of elements is given to Dmitry Mendeleev. He published it in 1865. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist and inventor. He claimed that he dreamed of a table where all of the elements were arranged perfectly. When he woke, he wrote them down. Mendeleev arranged them by increasing atomic mass. At the time, there were 56 known elements. Others were working on element tables, but Mendeleev was the first to use his table to predict new elements and correct some elements that had already been discovered. This is a modern version of Mendeleev's periodic table. The elements are arranged by increasing atomic number. This places them in vertical columns referred to as groups. Elements in the same group have similar properties. The lanthanides and actinides are placed below the rest of the table to conserve space. They would fit back in where the asterisks are. The periodic table now consists of 118 known elements, many that were undetectable in Mendeleev's time. The periodic table may look daunting, but when you know how to read it, it becomes one of the most important tools we use in chemistry. We're going to break it down and look at a couple of element symbols on their own. The first one we're going to look at is carbon. On some periodic tables, the name of the element is given in the element symbol. On our example here, it's at the bottom. The number at the top is the atomic number. The atomic number tells us the number of protons in an atom of this element. In a neutral atom, it also tells us the number of electrons. So in this carbon atom, we know we have 6 protons and 6 electrons. The number at the bottom is the average atomic mass. This tells us the mass of one atom of an element. This is an average of all of the isotopes of carbon. So our carbon atom has a mass of approximately 12 atomic mass units, or AMU. To find the number of neutrons, we take the atomic mass, which is 12, minus the atomic number, which is 6, and that tells us that we have 6 neutrons. In the center, you will have 1 or 2 letter symbol. The first letter is always capitalized, and the second letter is always lowercase. The symbol is always the same, no matter what language it's in. Okay, let's do the same thing for our helium symbol. We can see that at the top, our atomic number is 2. That tells us that we have 2 protons and 2 electrons in a neutral atom. We come down to the bottom and look at our average atomic mass, which is approximately 4. So that tells us that one atom of helium has a mass of approximately 4 atomic mass units. To find the number of neutrons, we take the atomic mass, which is 4, minus the atomic number, which is 2, and that gives us 2 neutrons. You can see that the name is written down here at the bottom, and that our symbol is a 2-letter symbol in this case, again, where the first letter is capitalized and the second one is lowercase. Remembering that our letter symbol will always be the same no matter what language the periodic table is printed in.